Hey everyone, I'm Shobit from Mentor Shobit. I'm a founder of FinPace Growth Club, where we are aspiring to build new age mutual fund distributors and we are determined to change how India invests. And today I am so glad to introduce one of our members who recently got ARN and on a way to help his influence his community invest better. I have Praful with me. He's from Mumbai, and I'm going to introduce to or I am asking him to introduce himself to all of you so that we all can be known and have a good relation with one another. So, Praful, just tell us about yourself, who you are, from where you are, what you do, and anything and everything which you want to share on this platform.
Yes, sir, definitely. Actually, sir, myself, Praful Survey. I'm from Mumbai. Uh, Presently, I'm working with one of the limited company. Uh, Actually, I have planned to do something other than job because I don't want to continue busy in job because sometimes what happened, we are entire time we are spent in our job, so there is no personal life. So my planning is to do other than job. That is, I think I have seen your advertise in Facebook. So I got some ideas. I have referred to some points from your that advertisement, and I really feel that is a better opportunity to learn something new, to understand. That is the big opportunity for me.
Hmm.
And I have done MCOM as well as I'm going to attempt ICW exam as well.
Good, good. So, so I just wanted to understand, you saw that advertisement and what was your expectation when you signed up for our program? What was going in your mind, like what you are going to get and what was your experience like?
Yeah, actually, what happens when I have joined that course, that NSM 5 exam, I don't know exactly how the mutual fund is working. So I don't able to unable to understand means how the mutual fund industry working.
Hmm.
So I got a lot of knowledge from your course because how to earn the mutual fund agent at commission, and how we can talk with the people, how we can encourage the people, how to make the planning for future. So that is the main important we understand in your that course. That is the most important for us.
Good. So, what was the biggest takeaway? How was your experience was when you joined our workshop and then the course, how how it was structured, and what was your experience like?
Yeah, I think you have that your course is really nice because we understand lot of things, that lot of knowledge that we need to understand. Actually, when we are going to plan something new, that time we need to understand what is our means. We need to understand what is the knowledge, what is the exactly in that course. So that is a major part of that, and that many things we are covering that mutual fund courses, and that is the most important for us.
Hmm. So our intention is those who are not from financial background also, if we are going to give them a proper structure, step by step structure, so that they can continue and understand and take steps. And as I keep telling, this is not a business where you are going to require 24 by 7 job. You don't require an office. Sitting at home, you can do and help others in their financial journey, and in the process, you can also help yourself. And
Correct.
as you might be joining our weekend or weekly meetups, which we do with all our paid members, where our endeavor is to teach you, help you, motivate you so that you can be a successful mutual fund distributor, not just any other mutual fund distributor. So, how was your experience of the meetups which you do on a weekly basis?
Yeah, that is what is the important thing, sir. I have observed that when somebody is means joining that course, that time your personal attention is most important, sir. That you are personally calling to someone, what is your difficulty? Is someone posting on WhatsApp? That time you call to means if they don't understand in some times, that time you personally call to the such person and tell them, no, this is how to work like that way. And that is I think most important, and that is the most thing in, I think that is the most important for us. because the personal relation as well as professional relation you are developing, that is the most important part of this course.
Thank you, thank you. Our endeavor, as anybody who is starting, he needs the most attention. Like when
Yeah,
we have a new kid at our home, the whole attention should be going to them. So all new members, I would like to give them full attention so that they should continue in this journey with full enthusiasm and take lot of insights, and don't feel that they are being left alone once they have bought the course. Their journey and relationship in this community starts from there. And we also have a Telegram group where we keep on communicating. If anyone has any issue, there are a lot of members, including many members who are ready to help one another, and that is a good part of this community. And what is your now future aim? Now, once you got your ARN, how you are looking to structure your business in the future? What is your thought process going in your mind?
actually my plan is to, in coming 6 months, I have to maximum. I want to need to meet the people. They need to understand what is the mutual fund industry, how they work for people, how you can understand your financial planning. And
Hmm.
after 6 months, I have to let my job because I don't want to do any job. I want to
Yeah.
develop my personal skill, means whatever skill I have, that maximum time I want to spend on that. That is my major focus on that.
Super, super. So that is a very good part that you are committing yourself that in 6 months you want to create such a cash flow from the business so that you can take your decision to quit your job and become independent. And that is the most important thing which anyone can aspire for. The independence to choose when you want to work, the independence to spend time with your family members when you want to be available for them. And I think this business can provide you. And as I keep on telling all those who I'm interviewing, that I'm going to interview next time when you're going to achieve 1 lakh consistent commission. And I am very sure that since you are so determined to be financially independent in 6 months time, you are going to achieve that at a sooner than a very far time. So my best wishes for you. And the last thing, those who are looking to get into this business and not in our community, what you have to tell to them?
Yeah, definitely. Those who don't want to do that job, they need to do independent. They need to, means in current pandemic crisis, a lot of people lost their jobs. They don't, means they don't have money.
Hmm.
In such time, how they can earn that money?
Hmm.
They don't have any option. So
Hmm.
if they independent, then they can easily move their cash flow, and they can generate, means they grow self as
Consistent.
well. That
So
is the
true.
most.
So this is the business where you don't require huge capital, but earning potential is huge. And in case you are looking for such business proposition where you can have consistent growing income over a longer period of time without having a huge financial commitment, then I would love you to join our 90 minutes free masterclass where we are going to show you how you can start this business in 21 days or less. So I would love those who are watching this video to join this masterclass. I'm going to leave the link for the masterclass in the description, and I'm going to see their live. Thank you very much, Praful, and my best wishes for you. I know that you are going to join our 1 lakh club very soon, and then we are going to meet again. Be in touch. Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone.